Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the line spacing of your paragraph or text on your Canva docs on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the line spacing in Canva docs. So I just copied this about the Canva and just made a paragraph here. So I just need to change the line spacing of this paragraph. So first of all, select the paragraph. You just need to change the line spacing. So after selecting the paragraph or sentence, you just have this option on the top called a floating toolbar, and just click on, you have this option near the list called spacing. Click on this, and here you have this option called line spacing. It's actually on 1.4. You can just increase the line spacing and you can just create like this. You can increase up to 3.5. You can also try more, but it is given only up to 3.5. If I just try to make it as a 5, it doesn't work. And also you can just decrease the line spacing up to like this. It's so small, so you can just increase the line spacing or decrease the line spacing using this option. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.